Hello. So this is sailing Nonamé, because she's French, episode 7, I think. And just scrubbing the hull. Getting better. Getting better, that's for sure. Following my friend, my one-armed bandit man. His name is Bai. He's just the legend. And this is the place where they actually bend bamboo. And so this guy is getting another boat ready. That's the bamboo. And they actually do it on a fire. So they bend it on the heat. Heat bends it, basically. But they want too much money, so I'm just going to do it myself. But that's what it should look like in the end. But they did give me some brekkie. I got some breakfast, very delicious sticky rice with coconuts. Delicious. Delicious.
Sticky.
So beautiful, Magadanu Maga. And because it's Saturday, you know, like people are going out to cruise a couple of the islands close by. Those are motorized, those bunkers. And some more work. Workity work. Grind.
Dustin.
Spider in the shoe. As it goes, you know, spiders, they happen. They're good for mosquitoes. And obviously, you need to wash your clothes once, twice a week. It's my friend's boat. It's a nice one. Building my rudder slowly. It will be my rudder one day. And dinner. Filipino fast food stuff.